frito, frito, taco, taco.
If you've been following my channel, then I'm sure by this point you've noticed that I'm a huge fan of low-calorie tortillas, because I do use them a lot in a lot of the recipes that I suggest, and that's just mainly a personal preference thing, just because those are the things that I enjoy eating, just my culture, and then just where I'm from here in the Southwest in New Mexico. But I guess the lesson here isn't so much that you should be adding low-calorie tortillas to your to your preferred group of foods that you have. That's one of the many things that you can have, but the real lesson here is that you should be spending an additional 5 minutes when you go to the grocery store so that you can find things that you like that are alternative, low calorie, healthier versions of the things that you enjoy. Like in this case, it doesn't have to be tortillas. I'm sure that if you browse and you take those extra 5 minutes, you'll find low calorie breads, low calorie condiments, low calorie meats, just different, you're going to find all kinds of things. So the lesson here isn't so much that, go and look for the low calorie tortillas, but the lesson here is spend an extra 5 minutes when you go to the grocery store and look at the nutrition facts, look at the serving size of something so that you can always find the best trade-off, the best option. So for example, if you prefer bread, sliced bread, I'm sure you're going to find, bread that's like, 90 calories for one slice, and then you're going to find those that are like 35 calories for one slice. And, and many people are not aware of this. It just comes down to, like I said, just spending an extra 5 minutes at the grocery store and being a little bit curious. So, I guess that's the main lesson for this is that, I love tortillas, so I take the extra 5 minutes to look for low-calorie tortillas so that I can enjoy things like this. And, so should you with the things that you prefer and like.